Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, error encountered 0x80070643 in Windows 10, 11 fix updated. First method is type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open Windows Event Collector, change Startup type to Automatic, click Start, click Apply, click OK. Open Windows Event Log, change Startup type to Automatic, click Start, click Apply, click OK. Open Windows Update, change Startup type to Automatic, click Start, click Apply, click OK. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type scconfig wuausrv start equal to auto. Type scconfig crypt svc start equal to auto. Type scconfig bit start equal to auto. Type scconfig trusted installer start equal to auto. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.